Good morning, everybody. My name is Laura from Hedgehog's Homestead. Today we're just going to do our morning chores. It's a Saturday morning, cloudy outside and a bit chilly, but we're going to get to it. Let's go see. We have the turkeys and the chickens separated for nighttime. We might have to put them back together because the cage that they're in for night is kind of small and they're getting big. So my thoughts on raising turkeys and chickens together, I think if you raise them from the start, they're okay, but they are very fragile, so that's not an easy thing to do. But when your chickens are the boss of their little world, they have a hard time adapting to turkeys in their space. Another reason why my turkeys and chickens are now separate at night is that the chickens will not let the turkeys eat. And turkeys are very timid unless they're big breasted males, you know. They're pretty timid and they'll let the chickens be boss, and ducks. So let's go look at how everybody's doing. I don't know the day that this will come out, but we are on baby watch for Ethel over here, the black rabbit, starting the 15th. So look for those videos coming up and see if her breeding took. Thank you guys for coming along with me today. And as always, God bless.